Hello, welcome to the Microsoft Word training. In today's class, you are going to learn how to create the letterhead using Microsoft Word. You're going to learn how to put your logo, put the title, and even put a border shape around that your letterhead and straight to the printer. Join me in the class as we look at this together. All right, welcome to the Microsoft Word training. In this particular training, I'm going to show you how to create your letterhead, using Microsoft Word. So I'm going to show you how I did this. All right, so let's go. So I'm going to create, so I can take this off, take all this off, and go there. Off it goes, off it goes, off it goes, off it goes. Select the entire place, clear formatting, clear all formats. Okay, so now I'm back to empty screen. So the first thing to do is to bring your logo. So the components of your letterhead will be your business logo. Okay, your business logo, your business name, your what now? Your address, business address or contacts, your business contacts, your business name, and then maybe you want to put a borderline, a border rounded corner. A rounded corner border. Yes. So this will be the components. So once we provide this, we are good. So the first thing is to insert our logo. So go to the Insert tab, go to Device, and we are going to pick. I'm going to get my logo from my desktop. I'm going to insert. So that's my logo. All right, that's my logo. And then, mind you, your default border, margin, when you are starting your document, because I cleared what I have there before, I may not have a default margin, but usually your default margin will be something like that, So whatever it is, so I'll just show you. So now you can see that the picture is there, but you can't move the picture anyhow. The picture is behaving like a text. So for you to position the picture, the image, you have to select this layout option, this option at the side of the image, and then you pick the sixth one, which is in front of text. So once you pick that, the image now has the freedom to move about. So that can make you to position it at the top corner at the edge. Okay, so that's good. So now the next thing is to provide the business name. So the business name, so I'll push my mouse button. I can also use the center align first. That will bring it to the center. Then I will type the business lead, vision, concepts. So now the business name has been typed. I will select that and make it bold, increase the font size, start with 36. Just go with 36 as size. And then when you are done, you may be reducing or maybe increasing or reducing. So then make sure that your margin on the right side accommodates your text properly so that it doesn't flow to the other side. Then you are going to use this text effect and typography effect, so you can see different effects. Depends on your own preference. So and your color. Okay, so your color determines what to do. So I'll go with this. And of course, you can always change the text color of this typography. This, you can change their color, you can change their outline. Okay, you can make it have outline. You can increase the outline weight. You know, maybe this is the outline weight, then the outline color. So the outline color, you can set it also. The shadow, if you want it to have a shadow, so a shadow reflection, something like this. So I'll choose this shadow effect, and then I'm going to choose to move I'll move this image down a little, and then move the margin up. Move this margin on the left side upward a little, and then I can now shift this logo beside it. Then one thing about this color is that if you want the color to be the same with your logo, then you need to know what is the color combination of your logo. So you can go to more colors. Okay, you can choose gradient color if you like. So I like gradient colors. Then this text, if you choose more colors, you can see custom color. You can see that you have HSL and RGB. So if you can get the RGB code of your logo's color or your business color, your graphic person that designed it has the code. So sometimes it can be the X code, the HEX, or the RGB code. So you just type maybe your RGB code, maybe 27 by, so let me reduce this, 23, and the green, the greenish, is it more greenish or less greenish? Then the bluish, is it more bluish? You know, maybe there is more blue, substance of blue, and less substance of green, you know, and then maybe less of red. It depends on, so this is the current, so it depends on what your color combinations are. So when you choose this, so this is the current, this is the new. So you look at the new, and if the new looks like, that is if you don't have the, what do you call it? If you don't have the color combination, you can do your settings here. Okay, you can do your settings here. And you can just click OK. So your text will have this. So I have mine. I can always apply, but I don't want to do that now. Okay. Then the next thing is to put the address. So the address at the bottom, the address, ABC, and then what next? Email, you know, at ABC. Then just your contact. Then you reduce the size. You can change the color also. You can remove it from that text format and use another. Reduce the size, a smaller size. Okay. Then the gap that is between them, you will go to this and remove that space after from the paragraph formatting, and then make it once a single space. Then, so the text color, maybe I'll make it a more obvious text color. So this, by the time you put your address, it's going to span across. Okay, so you deal with color. I mean, when you are doing your letterhead, be conscious of your color. Get your X color, your HEX, or RGB, and use it to match with your logo. And then whatever color you are doing, so let it be balanced. The last thing that you want to do is to insert your border. So I'll pick this rectangular rounded corner border. Then I will drag to form. I'll drag to form it around the image, the page, sorry. So that's towards the end. That is good. That's expand from this side, expand from that side, and then drag these to reshape, and then remove the color inside. Just use your shape style, and then of course use your no fill, shape fill. Just pick no fill for shape fill. So make sure that it doesn't have a fill. So the letterhead is ready, as you can see. Then, so you can deal with your text. You have your text, you have your logo, you have your rounded, and you can type inside. Because you have done no fill, then you can type inside. Okay. So as you can see, but you can print it, and you can also save it as a different format, maybe PDF, and then send it for printing. And they print a number of copies you want, and you have a letterhead for your business, and you can always use it. So with this, you don't have to go and get a designer to do letterhead for you, especially when you want to do a digital letterhead to send quickly for a particular thing, and you don't have a copy with you. You can quickly do something like that and send. All right, so this is where I'm going to stop. I hope you've been able to learn how to do your own letterhead. So see you in another session where we'll be looking at another interesting subject. Bye for now.